If in case you own a vehicle that comes with keyless entry and push button start feature, then probably you will be wondering what would happen if in case the battery inside your key fob dies. Well, in order to answer that question, we are doing this video. So this is the key fob that you will be getting with the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, and the system remains almost the same for any manufacturer. So if you see here, I am pressing the unlock and lock button, but the vehicle is not responding because the key fob battery is dead. In such cases, you have to remove the key from here and insert it into the key slot. Now, please be aware that the siren will automatically go off as soon as you turn the key fob and enter the vehicle. This is because the anti-theft alarm system inside the vehicle will be working. So, in order to make sure that the siren doesn't go off immediately after you unlock, you have to open this, place the key fob onto the start button and start the vehicle. By this way, you can make sure that the siren doesn't go off. If there is a delay by few seconds, then the siren may go off. Don't panic, but follow the same procedure and start the vehicle so that the siren will automatically turn off. Also, do note that once you unlock the vehicle through this manner and use the vehicle, it's very much important to lock the vehicle after you replace the battery, because until then, even if you use the keys to open the vehicle will not make sound, which means your anti-theft alarm is not working. So make sure that you replace the battery, lock the vehicle so that the anti-theft alarm will start working again. So now that you understood how to unlock the vehicle and how to start the vehicle if the key fob battery is dead, let's see how you can replace this with a new one. So for demonstration purpose, as you can see, I am locking and unlocking and the vehicle is not responding. So what you have to do is remove the key, open this key fob, and if you open this, you will be having the battery over here. So again, open this battery and replace it with the new one. So this one I bought it from the Amazon, and I leave the link for the same in the description box as well. So once you place it in and close the key fob battery, the key would start working. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. If you have liked the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button so that we can create more such content. Once again, thank you so much.